right? The next is a flowchart here. You have to identify what are W, X, Y and Z. So when it is not a planet but a star, Sun is a star, Alpha Centauri is a star. So here we have W in case A and C. So I ignore the remaining choices. Apply the technique of elimination in this case. Now what is the hottest planet? We have done in our previous classes. It is Venus. So hottest planet X is Venus. So X should be Venus. So again I cannot go for A. So the only correct choice I am left with is C. But let me complete other. How do we read it is really important. If it is not a hottest planet, that means it is not Venus, but it is a planet with moon. Yes. So Earth is not a hottest planet, but yes, it has a moon. So Earth would come in Y. So Earth would come in Y. And it also does not have a moon. So Mercury does not have a moon. So Mercury would come in Z. As we understood in our previous lecture on solar system, there are inner and outer planets. Within the inner planet, Mercury and Venus are the two which do not have moons. Earth has one moon and Mars has two moons. However, the outer planets have higher number of satellites, or what we call as moon in simple language, right? So that is the basic idea of reading this flowchart. How do we interpret this flowchart is really important and interesting. Coming on to the next question, you have to identify the incorrect statement. Planet reflects the light of the sun that falls onto them. That's correct. They do not have their own light. The group of stars is known as constellation. So C is incorrect. Rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. Perfectly correct. As I came back to this question where we discussed rotation and revolution. So rotation within 24 hours causes day and night. However, revolution causes seasons, summer, spring, winter and autumn, right? So when the question says here, the question says rotation causes day and night, it is correct. Satellite is an object that moves around a planet, that is again correct. So it is an object that moves around a planet or around a star as well. A planet moving around a star or a satellite moving around a planet, both of them would remain correct here. But here the incorrect option is C, and that would become your answer for this question. Coming on next. Earth is how many million years away from Sun?